Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing well. If you are okay, let's start our lesson. The theme of the lesson is Independent Project Guide, and the learning objectives are to develop intercultural awareness through reading and discussion, recognize the attitude or opinion of the writer in extended texts on a wide range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. So, the first task is pre-reading. In this lesson, we are to talk and read about amazing places. At first, let's discuss some questions. The first, what amazing places do you know? Please answer the question. Tell your own opinion. Okay, the next. Have you ever heard about the 7 wonders of the world? Good. Will you add another wonderful place or building to this list? Good job. The next, we are going to learn the new words. Please listen, then repeat after me. Blend, blend. Oriental, oriental. Traditional, traditional. Skyline, skyline. Landmark, landmark. Architect, architect. Futuristic, futuristic. Cart, cart. Vendor, vendor. Wander around, wander around. Desert, desert. Ruins, ruins. Carved out of, carved out of. Rock, rock. Well done. So, now exercise 1, page 110. Read the sentences. Pay attention to the words in bold. In bold, it is қарамен жазылған сөз. The first sentence. Experience a blend of Western and Oriental cultures. Elegant skyscrapers, branded shopping stores, and the traditional buildings. The second. Its skyline is filled with landmark buildings by well-known architects. There are Asian, Western, Soviet, as well as futuristic styles. The third. Donkey carts and vendors sell their goods in their street. Wander around the winding alleys and taste mouth-watering local food. 4. It's in the middle of the desert. You can see the ruins of an ancient city there. The city was carved out of pink rock. If you didn't understand the sentences, please check the words in the word list at the end of your book. The next task. Please look at the pictures and Answer, what do they tell you about the places? What can someone see and do there? Please pay attention. Then match the sentence in exercise 1 with the picture from A to D. Match these sentences with these pictures. Please write down on your copybook. So the next task. There are 4 people who visited some places. Сәуле, Әсел, Дамир, Connor. Сәуле visited Cairo, Egypt. This city, Cairo, is the capital of Egypt, and it's famous for Giza necropolis, Egyptian museum, Pyramid of Djoser, Citadel, Nile River. And Damir visited Petra, Jordan. It's famous for Al-Kazne, the treasury. And the place appeared in the films like Indiana Jones, Transformers, Mortal Kombat. Asil, she visits Shanghai, China. It's famous for Oriental Pearl TV Tower, Nanjing Road, Shanghai Tower. Connor, he visits Nur-Sultan in Kazakhstan. The capital is famous for Bayterik Tower, Palace of Peace and Reconciliation, Hanchatar Entertainment Center, Ahorda Presidential Palace, and Nur Astana Mosque. So, now let's read the text and understand the main idea. Page 110 and 111. If you don't have the book, you can pause the video if it's necessary and read from the video. So, if you have finished, read questions from 1 to 6 and find from the text which person got very tired at the end of their holiday. Which person was far away from villages and the towns? Which person took their time exploring a place? And which person was visiting somewhere for work? Who changed their mind about something? And who took something home with them? Please write down on your copybook. You can pause if it's necessary. So, exercise 4, page 110. Match the words in bold in the text to their synonyms in the list. You should match these words from the text. Very, tight, get on, impressive, understand, attractive, delicious, call to mind, keep apart, certainly, quite, not known to many people. Please copy to your notebook. Okay, let's check. Very, really, tired, exhausted, get on, bored, impressive, magnificent, understand, figure out, attractive, elegant, delicious, mouth-watering. Call to mind, remind, keep apart, separate, certainly, definitely, quite, peaceful, not known to many people, off the beaten track. Okay. Well done. So, our lesson is over. Let's conclude. Your home task is to collect information about a holiday destination in your country and make a presentation, 5 slides at least, in PowerPoint. So now you should check yourself. You should put marks from 1 to 5 to point how well do you understand the lesson or tasks. For example, I can tell my opinion concerning the question. I can read and get the main points of the text. I can answer the questions properly. I can match words and the sentence correctly. Please, check yourself. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.